two common strategies for dealing with emergencies and disasters. Bugging in means staying at your home or safe location, while bugging out means leaving your home or a dangerous area. In this video, I will compare the pros and cons of each strategy and help you decide which one is best for your situation. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Patriot Prepper 82. My name is Kelly and I'm here to share with you some tips and tricks on how to survive any crisis or emergency. Whether it's a pandemic, civil unrest, natural disaster, or grid down scenario, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to talk about bugging in versus bugging out, two common survival strategies that you need to know. Bugging in means staying at your home or your safe location, while bugging out means leaving your home or a dangerous area. Which one is better? Well, it all depends on many factors such as the nature of the threat, the duration of the crisis, the resources available, and your own personal preference. Let's take a look at the pros and cons of each strategy and see which one suits your needs. So bugging in pros, you have access to your supplies such as food, water, medicine, tools, weapons, and other essentials. You don't have to worry about packing or carrying them with you. You're also familiar with your home and your neighborhood. You know the layout, escape routes, potential hazards, and the friendly neighbors. You have a sense of security and comfort in your own place. You also have a legal right to be there and defend yourself and your property. You don't have to deal with trespassing, looting, or hostile encounters with strangers. You have more options for communications, entertainment, information. That you can use your phone, internet, radio, TV, or books to stay connected, informed, and entertained. So some bugging in cons. You may be a target for thieves, rioters, or invaders who want to take your supplies or harm you. You may have to deal with unwanted visitors, intruders, or attackers. You may be trapped or isolated by a threat such as a flood, fire, or quarantine, blockade. You may not be able to leave or get help if you need to. You may also be exposed to environmental hazards such as contaminated water, air, or soil. You may not have access to clean or safe resources also. Now in bugging in, you may also suffer from maybe boredom, stress, depression. You may feel lonely, hopeless, during prolonged crisis. So some bugging out pros. You can avoid or escape the threat, such as a war zone, nuclear fallout, a pandemic hotspot, or a riot area. You can seek a safer, more favorable location. You can be more mobile and flexible. You can adapt to challenging situations and take advantage of new opportunities. You can explore new places and meet new people. You'll be more self-reliant and independent. You'll rely on your skills, knowledge, creativity to survive. You can learn new things and challenge yourself. You can experience more adventure and excitement. You can have more fun and enjoyment in a survival situation. You can discover new things and have new stories to tell. So some bugging out cons. So you have to leave, behind your supplies, your home, and all your comfort items. You have to pack and carry only the essentials. You have to sacrifice or abandon some of your belongings. You might be unfamiliar with your surroundings and your destination. You don't know the terrain, the resources, dangers, or the people. You have to deal with uncertainty and risk in every step. Also, you have no legal right or protection in foreign or hostile territories. You have to deal with new laws, regulations, authorities, or enemies that might not be favorable to you. You have to be careful and discreet in your actions while you're bugging out. Also, you have limited options for communication, entertainment, and information. You may not have access to a phone, internet, radio, TV, or books. You may be isolated and then, of course, uninformed. As you see, there's both bugging in and bugging out has their advantages, right? And disadvantages. There's no one size fit all to this question, right? The best strategy depends on your specific situation, your personal preference, and your survival skills. You have to weigh the pros and cons of each option and make the best decision for yourself and your loved ones. Bugging in or bugging out is a survival strategy that depends on the type of severity of the emergency or disaster. Like I said before, bugging in or bugging out is a survival strategy that depends on the type and severity of emergency or disaster. Bugging in means staying at your home or safe location, while bugging out means leaving your home or that dangerous area. To prepare for bugging out or bugging in, you need to consider some of the following factors: your location and the potential threats you may face, the number and needs of people and pets that you are responsible for, the amount and type of supplies you have or can acquire, communication, transportation options that you have or can access. Some of the basic steps you can take for bugging in or out is make a list of possible scenarios and plan accordingly. Stockpile food, water, medicine, and other essentials for at least 3 days, preferably longer. I would say a lot longer. But have a bug out bag ready with the items you need to survive on the move. Have a bug out location in mind and a route to get there. Have a backup plan in case your primary plan fails. And then also stay informed and alert of the situations and act accordingly. I hope y'all liked this video, and hopefully it helped you understand the difference between bugging in and bugging out and how to choose the best strategy for your survival. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon to get notified for new uploads. Thank you for watching and stay safe. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'd like to hear from you and learn from some of your experiences. Always be ready, flexible, and resourceful. Until next time, this is Kelly signing off. They call me a